Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to sync your audio and video in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you've been clapping at the start of each take, importing your files, zooming into the waveform, finding those audio spikes, and then manually lining everything up on the timeline, you already know that method works. And if that's your preferred workflow, there's nothing wrong with it. But personally, I like to keep things simple and get results as quickly as possible, as long as it doesn't affect the quality of my work. Once your clips are imported, go to the Edit tab. This may seem obvious, but many of us make this mistake by staying on the Cut tab and looking for options that aren't available there. After switching to the Edit tab, click and drag to select all the audio and video files you want to sync. After everything is selected, right-click on the clips. In the pop-up menu, choose Auto Align Clips. Another pop-up window will appear with a few syncing options. From here, you can choose whether you want to sync by waveform or by timecode. For this example, I'll select waveform, since it's the most common option when using an external microphone. Just below that, you'll see an option to choose which audio track you want to use as the reference. You can select any layer as the reference. If you're not sure, or if you want DaVinci Resolve to handle it for you, simply select Automatic and let the software do the work. Once everything is set, all you need to do is click the Sync button. That's it. In just a moment, DaVinci Resolve automatically aligns your audio and video clips perfectly. No manual dragging, no zooming into waveforms, and no extra effort. Now, all of your files are fully synced and ready to edit. Hopefully, this saves you a ton of time on your next project. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.